Details on Pchum Festival. Details on Pchum Festival. សេចក្តីបរិយាយពីពិធីបុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌ What does Pchum Festival mean in Buddhism? What does Pchum Festival mean in Buddhism? តើពិធីបុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌមានន័យដូចម្តេចក្នុងព្រះពុទ្ធសាសនា In the Khmer language, Pchum or Prachum means a meeting or gathering. In the Khmer language, Pchum or Prochum means a meeting or gathering. នៅក្នុងភាសាខ្មែរភ្ជុំឬប្រជុំមានន័យថាការជួបជុំឬការប្រមូលផ្ដុំគ្នា Bun means a ball of something such as rice or meat. Bun means a ball of something such as rice or meat. Bun មានន័យថាដុំនៃអ្វីមួយដូចជាអង្ករឬសាច់ The Pchum Festival originated in the Angkorean era when people followed animism before Brahma or Buddhism. The Pchum Festival originated in the Angkorean era when people followed animism before Brahma or Buddhism. ពិធីបុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌមានដើមកំណើតនៅសម័យអង្គរនៅពេលដែលមនុស្សធ្វើតាមជំនឿមុនសាសនាព្រាហ្មណ៍ឬពុទ្ធសាសនា Both Buddhism and animism to reflect Khmer respect and remembrance for their ancestors. Both Buddhism and animism reflect Khmer respect and remembrance for their ancestors. ព្រះពុទ្ធសាសនាក្តីសាសនាផ្សេងក្តីឆ្លុះបញ្ចាំងពីការគោរពនិងរំលឹករបស់ខ្មែរចំពោះបុព្វបុរសរបស់ខ្លួន Pchum is also a convenient way for Buddhist monks to receive food during the heaviest part of the rainy season while they stay in the pagodas to follow their moral principles. Pchum is also a convenient way for Buddhist monks to receive food during the heaviest part of the rainy season while they stay in the pagodas to follow their moral principles. បុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌក៏ជាមធ្យោបាយងាយស្រួលសម្រាប់ព្រះសង្ឃពុទ្ធសាសនាបានទទួលអាហារក្នុងរដូវភ្លៀងធ្លាក់ខ្លាំងខណៈពេលដែលលោកស្នាក់នៅក្នុងវត្តដើម្បីអនុវត្តតាមមាគ៌ាព្រះធម៌របស់ព្រះអង្គ The first 14 days of the Khmer month Pchum are called Kanban observed celebration. The first 14 days of the Khmer month Pchum are called Kanban observed celebration. 14 ថ្ងៃដំបូងនៃខែភទ្របទហៅថាបុណ្យកាន់បិណ្ឌ The 15th day is called Pchum or Pchum Day. The 15th day is called Pchum or Pchum Day. ថ្ងៃទី15ហៅថាប្រជុំបិណ្ឌឬបុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌ During Kanban people give Buddhist monks gifts of food and candles. During Kanban people give Buddhist monks gifts of food and candles. ក្នុងឱកាសកាន់បិណ្ឌនេះប្រជាពលរដ្ឋប្រគេនចង្ហាន់ព្រះសង្ឃនិងទានវស្សា At night, Buddhist monks recite a protective prayer. At night, Buddhist monks recite a protective prayer. នៅពេលយប់ព្រះសង្ឃចម្រើនព្រះបរិត្ត Cambodian artists play traditional music such as jike and lakhaun basa. Cambodian artists play traditional music such as jike and lakhaun basa. សិល្បករខ្មែរលេងភ្លេងបុរាណដូចជាយីកេនិងល្ខោនបាសាក់ Pchum is the biggest celebration. Pchum is the biggest celebration. បុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌគឺជាពិធីបុណ្យដ៏ធំបំផុត Villagers come from all around to prepare the pagoda of their village the night before the celebration. Villagers come from all around to prepare the pagoda of their village the night before the celebration. អ្នកភូមិមកពីគ្រប់ទីកន្លែងដើម្បីរៀបចំវត្តនៃភូមិរបស់ខ្លួននៅយប់មុនការប្រារព្ធពិធី Shumban is when the villagers gather to celebrate in their village. Shumban is when the villagers gather to celebrate in their villages. ភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌគឺជាពេលដែលអ្នកភូមិមកជួបជុំគ្នាធ្វើបុណ្យនៅភូមិរបស់ខ្លួន Why Pchum is important? Why Pchum is important? ហេតុអ្វីបុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌសំខាន់ Respect for ancestors. Respect for ancestor. ការគោរពចំពោះបុព្វបុរស Praying for ancestors is important for all Cambodians who follow the Buddhist faith. During Pchum the festival pray and cook meals as offerings for 7 generations of deceased relatives. Praying for ancestors is important for all Cambodians who follow the Buddhist faith. During Pchum the festival pray and cooked meals as offerings for 7 generations of deceased relatives. ការបួងសួងដល់បុព្វការីជនមានសារៈសំខាន់សម្រាប់ប្រជាជនកម្ពុជាគ្រប់រូបដែលគោរពតាមជំនឿព្រះពុទ្ធសាសនាក្នុងឱកាសបុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌនេះអ្នកស្មោះស្ម័គ្រឧទ្ទិសនឹងធ្វើចង្ហាន់ជាគ្រឿងបូជាដល់ញាតិសន្តានដែលបានចែកឋានទាំង 7 ជំនាន់ It is a show of respect to the monks. It is a show of respect to the monks. ការបង្ហាញក្តីគោរពចំពោះព្រះសង្ឃ During the first 14 days of Pchum, people cooked food for the monks and also offer them alms. By doing so, the faithful believe they can bring good karma to their ancestors. During the first 14 days of Pchum, people cooked food for the monks and also offered them alms. By doing so, the faithful believe they can bring good karma to their ancestors. ក្នុងអំឡុងបុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌ14ថ្ងៃប្រជាពលរដ្ឋធ្វើម្ហូបប្រគេនព្រះសង្ឃនិងប្រគេនទេយ្យវត្ថុផងដែរតាមរយៈការធ្វើដូច្នេះអ្នកស្មោះត្រង់ជឿថាពួកគេអាចនាំមកនូវកម្មផលល្អដល់បុព្វបុរសរបស់ខ្លួន It is a 3-day public holiday. It is a 3-day public holiday. វាជាថ្ងៃឈប់សម្រាកសាធារណៈ3ថ្ងៃ Pchum is a time together with your family and close relatives. Pchum is a time together with your family and close relatives. បុណ្យភ្ជុំបិណ្ឌជាពេលវេលាជួបជុំជាមួយក្រុមគ្រួសារនិងញាតិមិត្តជិតឆ្ងាយ Sharing a communal meal, meditating and helping the ancestors during their spiritual journey brings the family together. Sharing a communal meal, meditating and helping the ancestors during their spiritual journey brings the family together. ការចែករំលែកអាហាររួមសមាធិនិងការជួយដូនតាក្នុងពេលធ្វើដំណើរនៃដួងវិញ្ញាណរបស់ពួកគាត់នាំគ្រួសារមកជួបជុំគ្នា Thank you